Welcome to beautiful Peoria, Arizona. So this is 8371 West Pontiac Drive in Peoria, Arizona, in the beautiful community of Fletcher Heights. This is a great little area. You're super close to everything. And this particular home not only has an awesome RV gate for anyone needing that extra space back there, but also extra parking. And I would guess about 6 cars you could probably park in this driveway, which if you are in Arizona, you know parking is key in garage space. So the more, always the merrier. This home right here is a single-story home. Lots of curb appeal. Neighborhood super cute, super quiet. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just over 2,000 square feet. You have RV parking and RV gate at this particular home. It is pretty open, which is awesome. This home right here, they've done some great upgrades with the flooring and the plantation shutters. Take a walk in. This front room is super spacious. Lots of things you could do in here. Sitting room, formal, dining, game room. I've seen clients set this up as more of a man cave room even. Library, anything you could imagine, whatever you need space for. Maybe if you have little ones, make this the kids' living area. It's a great home, just got listed. Lots of great size. There's also a pool. So you're gonna love this when it comes summer and it's 120 degrees out here in beautiful Phoenix. You have stainless steel appliances, which are wonderful. Some nice dark cherry cabinets, and they are pretty nice cabinets. They are a taller, more spacious, expensive feel. And you have a great island right here. And it opens right up to a dining area, which is pretty nice for daily living. And then you have another family room section here. Again, lots of living space. You're about 2,082 on the square footage in Peoria, Arizona. So great location. Take a walk back here. So we are going to head into the primary suite, the master bedroom area. Is back here, which is super nice, so lots of privacy. It's a pretty big bedroom. In this room right here, you have an awesome walk-in closet. So lots of storage, purses, shoes, lots of good space in here. So it's a great closet size. And again, the bedroom itself is pretty large with nice tall ceilings. It looks like you do have surround sound pre-wiring there, which is always nice. Here into your master bathroom, which again, great spacing. What I like about this master bathroom is there's access to the backyard. So super easy access if you have family, friends over. Go out in the pool, come on in, take a shower in this fancy tiled shower. It's a great feature right here. This is the master bedroom, which is a split from the other bedrooms, except you do have this one good size second bedroom right here. All the rooms have nice modern ceiling fans. This home does also offer some greatness with some solar, so you'll be saving a little bit of money there, hopefully. And now we enter the Jack and Jill feel. So yes, bedroom and bathroom. So we have a toilet, tub, shower combo. Which leads you into another secondary bedroom. Again, there are 4 bedrooms here. Rooms are all great size. They all have ceiling fans. They all have the plantation shutters. So pretty move-in ready. There's no carpet anywhere, which is wonderful. Especially if you have pets or little ones, easy to clean. You have this great little area right here. So right here you have the garage, which comes into the laundry room. It is epoxy floors. Got some storage cabinets in here. It looks like the garage door is insulated. You have your hot water heater. Your laundry area right here. You do have a utility sink. And again, this is the secondary bedrooms right here. Jack and Jill, down that hallway right there is the master bedroom. Coming this way, you do have a great pantry. For those of you that like to cook and have a lot of treats, there's some space. Me, I would probably make that a shoe closet. And you have a coat closet over here. So a lot of storage in this one. It's pretty open, pretty spacious. We'll lead back this way. All right, let's go check out the backyard. See what's going on out there. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is kind of what you have for light, sun. Beyond that wall right there is your private pool. So they did keep it sectioned off from the rest of the yard, which is a pretty good sized yard. As you can see, lots of trees. And there's your new home. It's looking pretty nice. You got real grass. Got some curb appeal, outdoor kitchen. You got that storage unit right there, which is wonderful. Again, never enough storage in Arizona. There's no basements. And oh yes, look at this. This bad boy is a Train AC. If you know anything about ACs, you know Train is the best. All right, so we're gonna come back this way. So this home, you know, it's a resale home. There's no warranties on this property, of course, but out here in Arizona, we have what's called a home warranty. So homeowner's insurance is required, especially if you are taking out a loan. That covers the house if there's any robberies or fires, water damage, all that fun stuff. But then there's something else called a home warranty. And this one's gonna cost you, with a pool, probably $900 for the year. It's kind of like medical insurance. As you use it, you pay a copay. They come out and fix, replace, repair, all the fun stuff. I think the copay on that's about $75 or $79, depending on which company you go with, of course. So yeah, this is great. They have a PebbleTech pool, self-cleaning, pretty good size. And again, this is great if you have little ones or pets that you don't want to go in the pool. It is blocked off for the rest of the yard. And we're gonna sneak through this fence. And there is a wonderful slab right there with a super large RV gate. Again, you could probably fit about 3 cars, maybe 4 if they're small. Probably not the best feature of the house, but I'll show it to you anyway. You're gonna have to put a piece of wood there. Simple fix, you know. I'd probably replace them all, to be honest. Replace them, stain them. This gate's a little wrecked. But again, those are low cost fixes, and then you can add what you like. which is always great. The inside of the home is pretty much move-in ready, so a little fix out back and should be a great place to live. All right, well, we're gonna walk on through. Again, this home just got listed. We are at $559,900 on this property out in Peoria, Arizona. 2,082 on the square footage. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, pool. Location and lots of curb appeal. If this home is something that you'd like to see or want more info on, please hit subscribe, like, and we'll keep you posted on any new properties coming up in the Arizona market.